With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a question from the chapter Thermodynamics. For PV diagram of a thermodynamic cycle as shown in the figure, process BC and DA are isothermal. Which of the following corresponding graphs is correct? Now we have been given PT and VT curves. So I'll directly convert this into PT. So for the PT curve, what we'll have? Your first process is, this is my PT curve. Now your first process is AB, and AB is a constant pressure process. So and the volume is increasing, and if pressure is constant, we know if pressure is constant, volume is directly proportional to temperature. So if volume is increasing, temperature will increase as well. So our process AB would look something like this. Now if you talk about BC, what is BC? BC is isothermal. It has been given in the question, and the volume is again increasing, but in isothermal, temperature is constant, volume is increasing, so P is inversely proportional to volume from ideal gas equation. So the pressure is going to decrease, so it will be something like this. So it will become, this point will become C. Now if you talk about C to D, what is constant? From C to D, the volume is constant, so PV equals to nRT. So if P, we talk about constant volume process, so the equation will become P equals to KT. So this is a line passing through the origin 0, 0. So the process will look something like this. And if we talk about the process AD was again an isothermal process, so the temperature will be constant, but this time the pressure is increasing, so our curve would look something like this. So if we have a look at the given option, our option A has to be a correct option. So now if I talk about the VT curve, in the VT curve, so in the VT curve, if this is my V axis and this is my T axis, what is happening? If I take a point A here, so if this is a point here, what I'll have is from process A to B is a constant pressure process. So if the pressure is constant, we know PV equals to nRT, and from here the equation will become nR by P will be constant, so V equals to KT. So it is a straight line passing through the origin, and the volume is increasing, so it would look something like this. This will be your new point B. Now if you talk about the process BC, it is isothermal, so temperature is constant and the volume is increasing, so our new point C will be somewhat here. Now if I talk about the process CD is again a constant pressure process, so it will also have a straight line passing through the origin. So if I draw a straight line passing through the origin, it would look something like this. And from A to D, it is again an isothermal process in which the temperature, in which the volume is going to decrease. So this would look something like this, and this will be your process. So if I talk about the given curve, we can clearly see that none of the curves are correct or match with the curve that I have drawn. So for this question, only one correct option, that is our option A, is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.